Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the latest and greatest in automotive accessories. Today, we're talking about the best parking sensor backup assist kit you can get your hands on, the Rostra Rear Bumper Parking Assistance System, Model 2501903BZ Pro. If you've ever felt anxious pulling into a tight parking spot or worried about what might be hiding in your blind spots, this product could be the solution that gives you total peace of mind. Rostra's Back Zone Plus system is designed to be your second set of eyes, using ultrasonic sensor technology to detect obstacles behind your vehicle with impressive precision. Let's start with how it works. This system includes 4 high-quality ultrasonic sensors that are mounted directly into your vehicle's rear bumper. These sensors continuously scan for objects behind your car and alert you with audible beeps that increase in frequency the closer you get to an obstacle. It's the same type of system you'll find in high-end vehicles, now available as an upgrade for nearly any car or SUV. One of the standout features of the Back Zone Plus is its advanced object detection technology. While many sensor systems struggle with consistency, triggering false alarms or missing certain objects altogether, Rostra's system uses refined algorithms to accurately detect objects of all densities. That means everything from a small traffic cone to a concrete pillar is detected with equal reliability. The system is also tuned to ignore environmental noise, so you won't be bombarded with false alerts from rain, wind, or light debris. Another strong point is its clean and professional design. The sensors are paintable, so they can be color-matched to your bumper for a factory-installed look. Whether you drive a compact sedan or a larger SUV, the BZ Pro integrates seamlessly without making your car look like it's been outfitted with aftermarket gadgets. Installation is straightforward for most auto technicians, and Rostra provides a detailed wiring harness that connects everything cleanly to your vehicle's reverse light circuit. That means the system only activates when your car is in reverse, so you're not bothered by alerts when you're driving forward or parked. And the speaker unit is adjustable in volume, so you can set it just loud enough to be helpful without being annoying. Now let's talk performance. In real-world use, the system activates instantly when you shift into reverse. It provides a solid detection range and is especially useful in low-visibility conditions. Think nighttime backing, dimly lit garages, or heavy rain. It's a particularly great tool for families with small kids or pets, or anyone who regularly parks in tight urban spaces. Durability-wise, the sensors are built to withstand the elements. They're resistant to moisture, dust, and road debris, ensuring they keep working year-round no matter where you drive. This isn't just a one-season solution, it's built for the long haul. For those who want a smart upgrade that dramatically improves safety and convenience, this is an easy recommendation. The Rostra 2501903BZ Pro gives you the reliability of OEM systems, without the dealership markup. It's a game-changer for older cars without built-in sensors, or for anyone who just wants added confidence when reversing. From smart design and accurate detection to ease of installation and daily usability, it earns its spot as the best parking sensor backup assist kit available today. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If this video helped you decide, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart product breakdowns, and let us know what you want us to review next in the comments below. See you in the next one.